I'm going to give a demonstration on the Zebra MotionWorks Enterprise platform, and I'm going to talk a little bit about RFID technology. RFID is essentially radio frequency identification, and it utilizes the power of a fixed reader or a handheld reader antenna to capture the power and to transmit its location back to the reader. It does that via an antenna and a microchip, and every single asset that you see here in front of me would have that antenna and microchip built in. Now they're all various different shapes and sizes for different purposes. So you can see that there's extremely rugged RFID tags to apply to pallets or boxes or different assets that would be outside. And essentially it allows you to track them around any location within your organization. Similarly, at a smaller scale, you can use the label-based RFID tags, and essentially you can see the antenna printed on the back of the label, and then also the microchip embedded in it as well. Now that can be applied to any asset like this book, and you again can track it very, very easily with a handheld and also with the application. So I'm just going to show you how that works. Every single item that you see behind me here has one of these label RFID tags. So rather than me having to scan each item individually with a barcode, I can literally do a sweep or an inventory of that area, and it will tell me how many items. So you get the idea how quick it would be to do a cycle count in specific areas with RFID. So you can see here in the app, the Zebra MotionWorks Enterprise app, it's expecting 45 items of clothing here behind me. And when I scan, you'll see how quick it is to read all of those 45 items. So straight away, it's not expecting any more because I've found them. You can click on here, you see all of the green items. I've found 45, and I've even found one that's not expected. So very, very quick cycle count. If I want to just show you then if you were missing an item, what would happen? So I'm just going to take this item off the clothing rack. We'll do our cycle count again. So again, it's looking for 45 items because there's fixed readers in the ceiling, and they tell me that there's 45 items of clothing in this room. So it's a way of automatic scanning. But if I want to do a manual verification like I am, this time I'm going to check for myself. I'm going to go scan all the items, and it's expecting 45, but it's only found 44, and it's telling me that this item is missing. So what can you do about it? Well, the main benefit with RFID is it lets you search for the location of that asset at any one time. So the MotionWorks Enterprise system knows that it's in this room, but it's missing from my cycle count, so I need to find it. So how do we do that? Well, I simply click the asset, I click locate, and once I wave the handheld reader, you'll see it'll increase in volume the closer I get to it. So I know it's over here on my right, and the closer I get to that asset, the louder it beeps. So there you go, you found your missing item, and yeah, very, very easy to use. And that's it, that's MotionWorks Enterprise and RFID.